Madhura, welcome back to Madhura's Desire. Folks, today we are going to make one of my favorite dish, and it is from my mom's cooking recipe, and it is very easy and quick to prepare. My mom used to always make this recipe when we were small, and she used to be in a very hurry to make some dishes, or sometimes she used to make when we have a guest all of a sudden on our dining table. So she used to do this fast cooking to serve them, and I would like to dedicate this lovely recipe on her death anniversary, which I'm remarking and showing all of you how good she was on her cooking. And it is very easy. So we are going to make a egg curry in a poached egg method. So let's start making egg curry on poached egg method. So I'm just taking 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. You can use also different oil, regular cooking oil. Oil is hot. Now I'm adding some cumin seeds, which is just 1 teaspoon. So along with that, I'm adding 1 cup of red onion, which is finely chopped. Let's saute till it gets translucent. Onion is almost translucent. At this point, we are going to add a ginger garlic paste. So I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and we will just cook till all the rawness of the ginger garlic get taken out, and it will be like fully cooked. So you can see here they have become very nice brown, and all the cooked flavor of ginger garlic is coming out. At this point of time, I'm going to add all the dry spices, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Again, the spiciness is according to your taste. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Just give a quick mix to it, and now I'm adding just 1/2 cup of water to cook all the spices. We will cook the spices for at least 2 minutes. So masala is almost cooked. At this point, I'm going to add 1 large tomato, which is giving me 1 cup of puree. You can also chop. I just wanted to make it fast, so I just made a puree. So let's cook the tomato and masala at least for 5 minutes till they starts floating on the top. Oil starts floating on the top. As you can see, the oil is started floating and masala is very much cooked. At this point of time, I'm going to add the salt. So I'm just adding 2 teaspoons of salt. Let's just check it, because again the tomato's sourness differs from place to place and tomato to tomato. And now I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder and 2 green chili, which I have chopped. So just give a quick saute to it. And now I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Mix well. And now I'm going to cover with the lid and let the gravy boil. See? Gravy is boiling. I have taken 8 eggs, whole eggs, and we are going to crack in this gravy one by one. And we are going to make, as I say earlier, in a poaching method. So I'm going to crack each of the egg and gently I will place on a gravy. Make sure you're not putting any cell. If you're not comfortable, then you can break it first in a small containers, and then you can place the egg one by one on a gravy. So you can see I have placed all the eggs on a gravy, and now we are going to cover with the lid. And usually the poaching egg is within 3 to 4 minutes. So it's up to you. If you wanted to make it little bit well done, you can go and cook for till 5 minutes. So I'm going to cook for 4 minutes because I want little bit the yolk has to be liquidy. So it's almost 4 minutes. Let's check out. Wow, it looks so good. I mean, they are perfectly poached. You can see still it is there. The yolk is liquided. And now at this stage, I'm going to add just another 1/8 teaspoon of, or like a pinch of garam masala on top. And just half a tablespoon of ghee. And some chopped coriander. So our egg curry is ready, which is my mom's special egg curry. So this is how it looks like, and now it's ready for service. So as I say earlier that I just wanted to have the egg yolk slightly soft. So this is how it looks like. See, you can see still the yolk is softened, and this is what I like and we used to like at home when my mom used to cook. So you can see in the close-up. Yeah, so egg curry is ready for service. So you can serve the egg curry with rice, roti, naan. It is up to your choice, but I'm serving with today with roti. And you can see they look so delicious. I'm so excited to eat them. After all, it's my mom's creation. She used to make this way for us. And now I'm going to do some garnishes on the top. Little bit of coriander. So this is how, guys, I love to present the poached egg curry. Folks, I hope you must have enjoyed making this lovely poached egg curry, and this is one of my favorites. So you guys also try out and let us know how it turned out for you, which is very easy and quick to prepare. So see you soon. Till then, eat healthy, stay healthy.